If you have a toddler in Richmond and leaving the house feels like a whole production, this is going to make your life so much easier. I'm Brianna, a local Richmond realtor and mom, and I'm always sharing places that actually work for real life with your little ones. Because let's be honest, not every park is toddler friendly. Some are overwhelming, some aren't safe for little legs yet, and some just aren't worth the effort of packing snacks, water, and half your house just to get there and not be able to play. So, I'm sharing the best toddler friendly parks in Richmond and the surrounding counties, the ones that are actually worth it. So, let's start in Richmond City. First up, Park 365, one of my favorites. If you only try one park, make it this one. This park is designed for kids of all abilities, which means it's incredibly toddler friendly. There are smaller play structures, sensory features, swings, and lots of space to explore safely. It even includes things like musical instruments and interactive play areas, which toddlers love. Also, it's fully fenced in. And mom tip, go early because this one gets busy. The next is Maymont. This is less of a playground and more of a full experience. You've got an animal petting zoo, open space to run, walking paths, and honestly, it's one of those places you could spend an entire morning or an entire day there. Toddlers love the children's farm. Goats, chickens, cows, it's one of the most popular free activities for families in Richmond. And then there's also Byrd Park, not too far away. This one is perfect for slower days. Wide open space, stroller friendly paths, lakes, and just enough playground to keep things simple. It is a huge park, over 200 acres, with trails, a space to roam, which makes it great when your toddler just needs to get their zoomies out. Next, let's head into Henrico County. There's Deep Run Park, another one of my favorites. It has multiple playgrounds, including one just for little ones. There's shaded areas, ponds, and easy walking paths. You can even fish there. There are paved trails, lots of space to explore, which makes it great for strollers and those early walkers. Another one, Crump Park and Meadow Farm. This one has a huge toddler area with things like little houses, a fire truck, and smaller climbing structures as well. It's really well laid out, so if you have kids of all different ages, it's still super manageable with a toddler. And now, Chesterfield County. Over in Chesterfield, Rockwood Park is a solid go-to. There's a playground, a nature center, paved trails, which are amazing if you've got a stroller or a toddler who wants to walk but like not that far. It's known for really being family friendly with a mix of play and nature both. Another one, my personal favorite, Huguenot Park. It has walking trails, open space, and a playground that's easy to navigate with younger kids. It's one of those parks where you can let your toddler explore without feeling like you're chasing them constantly because it is fully fenced in. And a quick mom tip, when you're choosing a park with a toddler, look for smaller play structures, shade, especially in the summer because it gets really hot here, bathrooms nearby, and space for your kids to roam safely. Those little things make a huge difference. One of my favorite things about living in Richmond is how many of these simple, everyday spots there are for us. Because sometimes the best days aren't the big plans, it's just getting outside, letting your toddler run, and having a place that actually works for your life. If you want more local, mom friendly spots just like these, I share a weekly RVA mom guide with things to do, events, and hidden gems around Richmond. And if you're thinking about moving this year or even next year, I'd love to help you find a home that fits this kind of lifestyle too. Both the mom guide and real estate contact info is listed below. And don't forget to save this video so you have it for your next We Need to Get Out of the House day. And I'll see you in the next one.